Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is your monthly forecast for May 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon or Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. I have 4 cards laid out here, which will highlight the messages for May 2021. The first card is 9 of Cups in the position of past influences. 10 of Cups as main theme. 2 of Swords as roadblocks. 5 of Cups as possibilities. And I would also be taking out one more guidance card from this oracle deck once we finish reading the messages for these 4 cards. Before we start, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from Aurora Hotels. Also follow me on Instagram for daily guidance and more oracle updates. So with 9 of Cups in the past position shows past success, something you would have been really proud of. So you're celebrating some kind of an achievement, which could be a new job, a new house, winning a competition, success of your kid, success of your spouse. This card also becomes a solid foundation for you to be able to achieve better. So some of you are definitely in a positive space of mind. Let's move to the next card. We have 10 of Cups as main theme. The rainbow in this card symbolizes peace and good fortune. You will get the support which matters from your family, friends, loved ones. There could be end of some painful things that you would have been through as a family, as a unit, and you would honestly feel relieved and much happier. Also focus on inner happiness and less on the outer chaos and the surround clutter. This card could also mean news of pregnancy. Overall, this card signifies being happy and content with your family and spending quality time. It could also mean planning a holiday or going for a holiday. Let's move to roadblocks. We have 2 of Swords here. 2 of Swords symbolizes making peace with the feeling of being in between. It could be in between life stages, in between jobs, in between relationships, in between projects, in between friendships, in between career goals, in between big plans, in between personal goals, or whatever you resonate with. The figure in this card is also in between. She is in between the land and the sea, in between the new moon and the full moon, in between the 2 swords that she is holding. And yet, she has full balance and full control. She is blindfolded, but she depends upon her core, her center, to help her, guide her. So there are times, there are situations in lives when we are unable to decide. We are in an in-between situation and we are not able to see what's next. And that is the time when we have to depend upon our instinct, our core to guide us. So 2 of Swords advises you to find your center in the midst of the transformation that you're going through. You're exactly where you need to be. And you need to now transition beautifully. Let's move to the next card. We have 5 of Cups. 5 of Cups symbolizes trance-like state of focusing only on the negative, even when you may have so many blessings around you. If you notice this figure in this card, he is looking at the 3 spilled cups. However, he fails to notice the 2 perfectly upright cups still standing behind him. So, this card tells you that everything in your life is not going to be perfect. So, you cannot keep brooding on things that are not so perfect in your life and feel bad about what you've lost. When 5 of Cups comes in a reading, it is a loud and clear message to snap out of it, to snap out of whatever in between situation you are in, and count your blessings and focus on the positives that you still have in your life. Now I would be taking out one more guidance card from this oracle deck. Beautiful card. This card is highlighting that you will have several opportunities to expand in new directions. So watch for new people entering your life. Watch out for the invitations that may take you to new experiences. Attend those workshops that you've never attended before. Watch out for doors being opened for you in various aspects of your life, both personally and professionally. Don't sit quietly waiting for life to happen to you while doing the same routines, being around the same people, and staying in the same rut. So, the slogan for this month is go for it. So, that's all for now. Also, do check up the positive affirmations you can work upon for this month. Note them in a journal or add them in your vision board. If you like this video and you were able to resonate with this reading, please do leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to Aurora Foretels for updates. Keep watching. Much love.